So to assemble all of our Americana cabinets, we use an electric screw gun with a number 2 bit and a hammer and this Blum tool to do all of the hinge inserts. You'll want to pick those up. Okay, so today we're going to show you a wall cabinet in our Americana line, what comes in the box and what you should be looking for. First thing you should see is your door. Then, depending on the size of the cabinet, some will have 2 shelves, some will have 3, but they're edge banded white along the front. Should have 2 wall cleats for the back of the cabinet, and then a top and a bottom that are edge banded with the color of your door. Your back panel, which is 1/4 inch single sided. And then the last thing is your 2 sides, which are edge banded to match your door as well. Okay, so today we're building an Americana wall 1530. I usually start with the side panels together so that I'm protecting the edge banding as much as possible, because that'll be the part that's seen. So your first step is going to be, here again, grabbing your top or your bottom and just making sure that you're getting your edge banding lined up so it looks good. Okay. You've got your 2 cleats that you want to make sure when you do your cleats, you put them in the dowel and the hole that doesn't go all the way through, because that's the hole that your conformant's going to be stuck in. So I'm going to slide it in like that. When you're putting your back cleat in, you want to make sure you put the dowel in the one that doesn't have the hole going all the way through, because that's where your conformant screw is going to go. So you just slide that in like yay. Grab your back panel. Back panel has to go in now because it will be trapped between your top and your bottom cleat, so it's fully encased. Then you can just take and flip your top over onto it. Make sure your dowels line up with your holes. And you're ready to put your conformant screws in. I use a Makita 12-volt cordless drill with a number 2 bit. When you're putting these in, you want to make sure you're here, you line that up. When you sink these, you want to make sure you just go down below the surface, so that when you put your end panel on, that you'll have to buy separate, because obviously screws are showing, it's not bulged out. Once you've got all the screws in that side, you carefully just flip it over to do the other side. The other thing you want to make sure when you're building these cabinets is you get both the finished ends on the same end, because that'll be the bottom of your cabinet. You don't want the raw, you want that facing up. So when you build them together, make sure you get both of those going in the right direction. Now you can put your hinge cleats on. You can do them before, you can do them after, but you want to make sure this catch is on the front and this is on the back, because that's where you'll be releasing your doors. So you just line those up perfectly on that. last step is put your shelf in. Then you go. So all adjustable shelves, you can put them anywhere you want. Just make sure they all go the same. These clips just have a 5mm dowel hole in the back and then a latch to keep the shelf from falling out. Last step is to put your door on. This is the Blum tool that you will want to get. It will work with all Blum hinges. The magnet will hold the hinge in the correct place. You will want to line up the hinge posts with the holes in the door. It will look like this when you start. Once lined up, give it a few good taps. Make sure the hinge is all the way flush with the door all the way around. That's all there is to it. That's your wall 1530.